Hello, my name is Marika. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Finland Way Schools, and I'm visiting Garodia, Finland Way from Helsinki, Finland. This is my second time visiting Garodia, Finland Way. The last time was 2 years ago, and since then, Garodia, Finland Way has opened a brand new preschool floor. I must say it looks amazing. We have units across the world, from London to Kuwait City to Melbourne, and this one really stands out. The play-based learning spaces with devoted areas for different type of activities really push the learning to a new level. Also, I can see that the children are enjoying. They've really taken the space for themselves, and they are roaming around and exploring and enjoying. And that's what I love to see when the children are happy. So Finland's education system is considered to be one of the best in the world. And this is because, in addition to normal academic skills, we emphasize a lot the 21st century skills. This means how we learn, how we interact with the others, creativity, problem solving, logical thinking. And this happens from a very early age. With the youngest children, the play plays a crucial part in this. Play is how small children learn with their entire bodies, by doing, by experiencing, with their hands, in the groups. And this is why Finland Way pedagogy is based in play. Play gives the children an opportunity to learn things that otherwise would be only in paper, that they couldn't yet comprehend in that age. Play brings the learning things alive for them. Finland Way pedagogy is play-based on 3 P's: play-based pedagogy, phenomenon-based pedagogy, and participatory pedagogy. Play-based is something you might be already familiar with. You see that in preschools and nurseries every day. It's free play, guided play, playing with different games. But it's even more because that's how children learn the basic rules of working together, working with their peers, following rules. So it's a very important part. You can also blend traditional academic learning in play-based learning. For example, when children build a tower with the blocks, they may learn about basic colors, about mathematics, sequencing, these kind of things that may not be so visible, but it is there. The second P is phenomenon-based pedagogy. You may have heard about project-based learning, and this is quite similar. The children are exploring a certain theme for a week, for example, water. And through the theme of water, they explore different traditional subjects such as mathematics or arts. How does water interact with colors in painting? How does cold water feel, warm water feel? What are the different elements of water? And then finally, participatory pedagogy, that I find to be the most crucial one and the one that makes difference in Finland Way. The teachers, they listen to the children's initiatives, they ask their opinion at the age-appropriate level, they include the children's ideas in the learning. And this is what I think makes the difference, because the children become active, participative, their creativity grows, they come up with new ideas. Children think outside the box different way than we adults, and by encouraging this, they will become active citizens. So Finland Way curriculum is very holistic, so we take a whole child approach. This means that we cover the academic skills, 21st century skills, so-called soft skills that the children need in today's life. We've been working with Garodia for 5 years now, and we have a very comprehensive curriculum that covers the skills that the children need in order to go to the primary school and move forward in their academic careers, as well as the soft skills that are very strong in Finnish curriculum. Collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, working together, negotiation. At Finland Way, we use the latest technology to collaborate with the parents and enhance the family-school relationship. We have a Finland Way app. It's available on App Store and Google Play. And through the app, the parents will get regular updates from the school. It doesn't just show a photo or a announcement what's happening, but the parents receive updates with individual learning goals explained well, what is actually happening. And I think it's especially important when the learning is play-based, so the parents get regular updates on what are the learning goals here, when it looks like the children are just playing, when in reality there are many things happening. So my team from Helsinki, Finland, interacts regularly with Garodia's team. There are regular calls, training sessions, follow-ups, and we share feedback back and forth how to make the curriculum the best fitting for the Indian context. Also, our experts, Laura and the team, they give feedback to the teachers about how are they performing, how are they working with the children, how they are documenting the learning, what kind of training assignments they are doing, so that we can get the best possible result. This year we are celebrating the first teachers who are graduating from the Finland Way teacher training program, and I couldn't be more proud of them. They've been working very hard in a new floor to make it through the program. We have the Consul General today celebrating this achievement.